One talking about Prada Loam Water Splash. The notes in this are neroli, mandarin leaf, cardamom, iris, ginger, sandalwood, amber, and cedar. The kind of, I think, combination of iris, amber, and sandalwood is really strong on me, and I just don't love the combination here. It ends up smelling to me kind of powdery with then some kind of slight spice from the cardamom. The neroli and the mandarin leaf here also come across as very like almost bitter cleaning spray to me at times, which is another aspect that I'm not a fan of. And ultimately, to me, it doesn't feel like clean and inoffensive in the way that the original one does. The original one is known as very like workplace safe and like nice, but still inoffensive and stuff. But a lot of people do like this, so it could be a bigger hit for you if you like the notes in it. It's just, yeah, I think you do have to like iris for sure, and the kind of sandalwood here isn't my taste, and yeah, with the kind of bitterness of the citrus too, just everything about this is just not for me. But yeah, you can get a 125 milliliter bottle for under $70 in Fragrance Net, so it's a good deal if you do end up liking it. And it has moderate to good longevity and projection. I would say unisex leaning masculine. Like, yeah, men is in the title, like Homme, but it's not hyper masculine or anything. So I think if you really prefer unisex, this could, and you like the notes, this could still fit into that kind of category. But yeah, I'll link in the description where you can get a bottle or a sample.